Hi guys, let's look at the next video. We are still on exercise 5D, which is basically trying to solve a quadratic equation using the formula. So in the previous video, we talked about the formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root upon 2a. And all this is when we are looking at the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we also talked about how to read a square root table. And now let's move on. Next, question number 2, part 1. It says solve each of the following equations for x and give your answer correct up to one decimal place. So if they want your answer up to correct up to one decimal place, you calculate answer up to two decimal places and round off to one decimal place, right? I hope you remember this. If they want the answer up to one decimal place, calculate up to 2 and then round off to 1. If they want up to two decimal places, calculate up to 3, then round off to 2, right? So that's the basic thing. Now let's solve the question. So x square minus 8x plus 5, when comparing it with the standard form, I get a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 8 and c is equal to 5. So x is equal to minus b, which is negative of negative 8, plus minus b square, which is negative 8 square, minus 4 into 1 into 5 upon 2a, 2 into 1. So this is equal to 8 plus minus 64 minus 20. Yes, upon 2. X is equal to 8 plus minus 44 upon 20 upon 2, sorry, and I can write 8 plus minus 4 into 11 upon 2, which is equal to 8 plus minus 2 root 11 upon 2. Yes, that's correct. 2 root 11 upon 2, which means x is equal to 4 plus root 11 or x is equal to 4 minus root 11. I have divided both these elements by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 2 root 11 divided by 2 gives us only root 11. So now let's figure out the value of root 11. This is the square root table that I've taken from the end of your book. The first number under the column which has 0 in it is the square root of 11, which means this is 3.317. So x is equal to 4 plus 3.317 or x is equal to 4 minus 3.317. This is equal to 7.317 or x is equal to 4 minus, right? Let me rewrite it. I think I wrote the negative sign very small. That's why it was not visible. So this is 4 minus 3.317. Let's subtract 4.000, 3.317, 10 minus 7, that's 3, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 3, that's 6. So this is 0.6. 10 minus 7, that's 3, 9 minus 1, that's 8, and 9 minus 3, so this is 0.683. Now let's read the question once again. They want up to one decimal place. So let's round off. When I round off to this place, the answer is 7.3 because the number after that is less than 5. In this case, the digit after the first decimal is more than 5 or 5, which means this is equal to 0.7. The two values are x is equal to 7.3 or 0.7. That's our answer. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we're doing is question number 3, part 1. In this case, they want answer up to two decimal places. Again, comparing with the standard form, a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 10, and c is equal to 5. So x will be equal to negative b, which is 10, plus minus b square, which is 100, minus 4 into 2 into 5. Let's reconfirm. 4 into 2 into 5 and negative 10 whole square, that's 100 upon 2a, which is 2 into 2. Good. So this is 10 plus minus 100 minus, this is 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 5, 40. So what we're looking at 60, 100 minus 60, 100 minus 40, that's 60 upon 4, which means x is equal to 10 plus root 60 upon 4. Root 60, the table I have put it here, root 60 is 7.746. Yes, so 7.746, or x is equal to 10 minus 7.746 upon 4. Let's add and divide. So 17.746 divided by 4. That's 4 into 4, 16. That's 17. That's again 4 into 4, 16. That's 14. 4 into 3, 12. That's 26, which means 4 into 6, 25. Oh, sorry, 4 into 6, 24. That's 20, which is 5. So this answer is 4.4365. Next, I hope you realize that this chapter or this exercise specifically requires a lot of calculation. So you need to be patient with that. 10.000 minus 7.746. That is 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is 2.254 divided by 4. That's divided. So this is 4 into 0.5. That's 20, 25. That's 6, 24, 14. That's 3, 12, and 20, which is 5. So, or 0.5635. Good. Let's read the question now. As per the question, they want the answer up to 2 decimal places, which means I have to round off to 2. Let's look at the third decimal place after let's look at the digit in the third decimal place, which is 6, which means it is 5 or more than 5, which means x is equal to 4.44, which means we add 1 to the previous number. In this case, the third decimal place is 3, which means we leave the previous place as is. So this is 0.56. So the value of x is 4.44 or 0.56. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we're doing is question number 3, part 3. It says answer correct up to 2 decimal places. Again, let's find it. A is equal to 4, B is equal to -5, C is equal to -3. X is equal to minus B, which is minus of -5, that's 5, plus minus B square, that's -5 square, that's 25, minus 4 into 4 into -3. The square root of this upon 2a, which is 2 into 4. So that is 5 plus minus 25, that's minus 4 into 4, that's -16. -16 into 3, that's -48 with a negative sign, which means plus. So that's 48. Yes, that's correct. 73 upon 2a, which is 2 into 8, 16. Why 2 into 8? 2 into 4. My mistake. So 2a is 2 into 4. Yes, so this is 2 into 4. So this is 5 plus minus root 73 upon 8, which will be 5 plus. I haven't taken root 73 here. Let me go. So I've taken something wrong. The paper that I've made is wrong. Let me look at my book and figure out what is root 73. Give me just a second. And root 73 as per your textbook is 8.544. So this is 8.544 divided by 8, or 5 minus 8.544 divided by 8. This table that I've put here is wrong. I shouldn't have done it. But anyway, so this gives me 13.544 upon 8, which is equal to 8 into 1, 8, 55. That's 8 into 6, 48. 55, 48, that's 74. 8 into 9, 72. That's 24, which means 3. So this is 1.693. 5 minus 8.544, that's negative 5 minus 8, that's negative 3.544. Yes, that's correct. And this is divided by 8. So this will be negative 0.8 into 4. That's 32. 34, which is again 32. and 24, that's 3. So now let's look at what they want. They want two decimal places. This third decimal, digit after third on the third decimal is 3, which means nothing happens to the second digit. The answer is 1.69. In this case, it's also less than 5. So the answer is just negative 0.44. Perfect. Let's look at the next question. The next question is question number 3, part 5. So this is x square minus 5x minus 10. A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 5, C is equal to negative 10. So x is equal to minus b, which is minus of negative 5, that's 5, plus minus b square, that's 25, minus 4 into 1 into negative 10. The square root of this upon 2a, which is 2 into 1. So this is 5 plus minus 25 plus 40, that's 25 plus 40 upon 2a, which is 2. So x is equal to 5 plus root 65 upon 2, or 5 minus root 65 upon 2. Now I put the table here which says square root 65 is 8.062. So this is 5 plus 8.062 upon 2, or 5 minus 8.062 upon 2. That 13.062 upon 2, and this is negative 3.062 upon 2. This is 2 into 6, 12, that's 10, that's 5, this is 3 and 1, and this will be negative 1.531. They want the answer up to 2 decimal places, so let's look at the third decimal, which is 1, we do nothing, again 1, we do nothing, which means x is equal to 6.5 or negative 6.53, sorry, they want 2 decimal places, my mistake, 6.53 or negative 1.53. That's the final answer. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we're doing is question number 4, part 1. It says answer up to 3 decimal places. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 12, and c is equal to negative 1. So x is equal to negative b, which is 12, plus minus negative 12 square, that's 144, minus 4 into 3 into negative 1 upon 2 into a, which is 2 into 3. So this is 12 plus minus 144 plus 12. That's correct, 144 plus 12, that's square root upon 6. So this is 156. 156 can be written as 4 into 3, 12, 36, 4 into 39. Okay, which means root 156 would be equal to 2 root 39. Perfect. So we've done this calculation on the side. So this is 12 plus 2 root 39 upon 6, or 12 minus 2 root 39 upon 6. So this is equal to 12, rather 2. Let's do the full calculation. This is 2 plus 1 by 3 into root 39, which is 6.245. Yes, 2 divided by 6, 1 by 3. This is 6.245, or 2 minus 1 by 3 into 6.245. Yes, that's correct. So 6.245 divided by 3, that would be 3 into 2, 6. That's point, that's 0, 8, 1, 20, that's 6. So we've taken it up to 4 decimal places because they want the answer up to 3 decimal places. So this one gives me 4.0816. This number is they want up to 3, right? So this number is, this is the 4th decimal, more than 5. So the answer is 4.082. Right. Let's look at this one. In this case, 2 minus, so this is again the same thing, 2.0816. Yes, 2 minus 2.0816, which is equal to negative 0.0816. This is more than 5. So the answer is negative 0.082. So two values of x, 4.082 or negative 0.082. Good. Let's look at the next question. That's question number 4, part 3. Again, answer correct up to 3 decimal places. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 4. So x will be equal to minus b, which is minus 11, plus minus b square, which is 121, minus 4 into a, which is 2, into c, that's 4, upon 2a, in this case 2 into 2. This is equal to x is equal to negative 11 plus minus 124, 1 minus 4 into minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 4, 32, upon 2a, which is 4. So x is equal to negative 11 plus 121 minus 32, that's 21 gone, 11 gone, 89, plus 89 upon 4, or negative 11 minus, this is root 89 upon 4. Root 89 is 9.434. So negative 11 plus 9.434 upon 4, or negative 11 minus 9.434 upon 4. This is negative 20.434 upon 4, and this will be 11 minus 9.434. 0.000, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, and 10 minus 9, 1. So this is negative 1.566 upon 4. So now we need to divide. Let me erase this. So what we have is x will be equal to, that will be negative 0. That's 3, 4 into 3, 12, 36, which means 9. 6, which means 1, 4 ones are 4, 20, which is 5. And the second one will be x is equal to negative 5.10, negative 5, that's 20, 1, 4 goes, next is 3, which means I put a 0, next is 4, which means 34, which means 4 into 8, 32, 20, which is 5. They want the answer up to 3 decimal places, so I look at the fourth digit, 5 or more than 5. So the first answer is, this is negative, right? Negative 1.566. So this is negative. So negative 0.392. And this is again, the fourth digit is 5 or more than 5. So I add 1 to the previous digit, which is negative 5.109. Right, that's my correct answer. That brings me to an end of this video. Let's look at the homework questions. Homework question would be question number 1, part 14, and you could do question number 3, part 2. That's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to write into me. Bye bye.